We have a question here, SAT maths question. Now, but please be very careful. Do not jump into this each time you see. You have to be very careful here. Now, because when you get the values of x, whether it is one value, whether two values, at the end, you must try as much as possible to put those values back into this equation to be sure you get that right. Now, how do I mean? Let's look at this. I have x minus 12 equals square root of x plus 44. Of course, if you want to take off this root, you square both sides. So if I square both sides, that will be squared. I have x plus 44 all squared. This squared will take off this root. So I have x minus 12 all squared equals x plus what? 44. Okay, let's expand this. You know this actually means x minus 12. X minus 12 equals what? X plus 44. I hope we're doing this together. All right, expanding this. Remember, you take these two numbers to expand this. X times x is x squared. X times 12 is 12x. Minus 12 times x is minus 12x. Minus 12 times minus 12 is plus 144 equals x plus 44. Now it's time for us to collect like terms. Numbers that look alike, like bring them together. This already is minus 24x minus x minus 44 equals 0. This will give me x squared minus 25x plus 100 equals 0. I have to factorize. I'll think of two numbers such that when you multiply them, it will give you plus 100. And when you add them, it will give you minus 25x. And what numbers would that be? Certainly is going to be what? I have x squared minus 20x minus 5x plus what? 100. So the numbers are minus 20 and minus 5. Of course, minus 20 times minus 5 will give me plus 100. Minus 20 minus 5 will give me minus 25. I hope you got that. Now we can pair them up. What is common? X is common. This is x minus 20. What is common? Minus 5 is common. What do we have? X minus 20. Okay, so my values are x minus 5 and what? X minus 20. Everything, remember, equals 0. So x minus 5 is 0 or x minus 20 is 0. Giving me x as what? 5 or what? X as 20. Be very careful here. I know you look at it and you jump into it. My answer is going to be D. Be very careful. Remember what I said. By the time you're done, ensure you put these values back into this to get this original equation. Now let's see now if we slot it in. If we slot this in, remember we're working with x minus 12 is root of x plus what? 44. If I put my x as 5, 5 minus 12, will it be equals to root of 5 plus 44? 5 minus 12 is minus 7. And this is root of what? 49. Minus 7, root of 49 is 7. Is this correct? No. That means x cannot be 5. Let's try out for 20. If I put x as 20, 20 minus 12, will it be equals to 20 plus 44? 20 minus 12, that will give me what? 8. Equals square root of what? 64. 8 is what? Square root of 64? 8. This is correct. So my answer is just B. X equals to 20. Keep following and you keep learning. See you again.